Hello my dear students, with you Mrs. Minna Raouf, your science teacher. I hope you are all fine and please keep yourself safe by sitting at home. Last week we started our new unit that talk about energy. So let's make a quick revision then start our new part. Our lesson entitled What are some forms of energy? I asked you first, what do you and the car have in common? Yes, that's right, energy. You both need energy. You need energy to run or make any activity, and you get it from food. Car need energy to move and get it from gasoline. Everything that moves has energy. So energy is the ability to cause a change of matter. Now, let us discuss together what are some forms of energy. Now, when you rest a ball at a certain height, the ball now has some form of energy called potential energy. So, the potential energy is the energy stored in body due to its possession. When you realize it to start falling down, the ball now is moving, so the ball now has kinetic energy. So now we have two forms of energy, potential energy and kinetic energy. And the difference between them that the kinetic energy is the energy of motion, but the potential energy is energy stored in the body due to its possession. We have another form of energy called mechanical energy, and the mechanical energy is the total of potential energy and kinetic energy of an object. Another example, the roller coaster. When the roller coaster car go from the top of the hill, they gain in this condition or this position, they gain potential energy. As the car go down and move, this gain kinetic energy. At each point, the mechanical energy is the sum of potential energy and kinetic energy. Another form of energy is called light energy. Light energy is a form of energy that can travel through space. How we can know that light energy can travel through space? Our evidence, the sunlight transfer from the sun through space to the earth. Everything needs light. We need light to see, and also plants need light to get food through photosynthesis process. Sound energy. Sound energy is made when something moves back or forth. This motion called vibration. The loud sound has more energy than quiet sound. So, the sound is a vibration. Another form of energy is called chemical energy, and the chemical energy is realized by chemical exchange. And we discussed the meaning of chemical exchange in the last unit. And the chemical exchange is when the matter exchange and give you a new substance. Example for a chemical energy. From food gives us energy. And also the car run on gasoline. This is a chemical change. And also fire is example of a chemical change. So fire is release of chemical energy. The last form of energy is called electrical energy. Electrical energy is energy that comes from electric current. And anything plugged into a wall outlet uses electric energy. Like what? Like televisions, like computers, like any device that we use electricity. Electricity generated using the burning of fossil fuels as coal and natural gas, and also by natural sources, sun and wind, can also generate electricity. Now, let's discuss how energy can change its forms. Energy can change from one form to another. How can it change? For examples, the light bulb. The light bulb uses electric energy to produce light energy. And also the glow stick use the chemical energy that happen when a chemical change happen in the tube of the glow sticks when the chemical inside the tube mix together. This chemical change or chemical energy produce light energy. And the battery. Battery also use chemical energy to produce electrical energy. And last examples is plant. Plant use light energy to produce chemical energy. So making food for plants is a chemical change. So the light energy here used to produce chemical energy. Thank you for listening and see you in the next lesson.